Welcome to the series, Should I Invest or Not? Apple Inc. is one of the largest and most valuable technology companies in the world, known for its innovative products and services. The company's success is driven by its strong brand image, loyal customer base, and its ability to consistently introduce new and innovative products to the market. In this stock analysis, we'll take a closer look at Apple's financial performance, competitive position, and growth prospects to determine whether it's a good investment for long-term investors. Make sure you stick to the end of the video so you get all the knowledge you need before you decide if you want to invest in Apple or not. It can cost you a fortune if you don't know all the information about a potential investment. Oh, and before we give you the full review, remember to hit the subscribe button to make sure you get our daily stock analysis, and we'll really appreciate it if you also hit the like or dislike button as well. So now, let's get back to the analysis. Apple's financial performance has been impressive over the past several years, with the company consistently generating strong revenue and earnings growth. In the fiscal year 2021, the company reported a revenue of $365.7 billion, up 36% from the previous year. Net income was $86 billion, up 61% from the previous year. These strong financial results are largely driven by the popularity of Apple's flagship products, including the iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Apple's balance sheet is also strong, with the company reporting $191.8 billion in cash and cash equivalents as of the end of fiscal year 2021. The company also has a manageable debt load, with total debt of $112 billion, which is less than 10% of its market capitalization. Additionally, the company generates strong cash flow from operations, which provides it with flexibility to invest in new products and services, as well as return cash to shareholders through dividends and share repurchases. Apple faces intense competition in the technology industry, particularly in the smartphone and personal computer markets. However, the company's been able to maintain a strong competitive position by leveraging its brand image, ecosystem of products and services, and focus on innovation. In the smartphone market, Apple competes primarily with Samsung, which has been the largest manufacturer of Android-based smartphones. While Samsung has been able to gain market share in recent years, particularly in emerging markets, Apple has been able to maintain its premium brand image and loyal customer base by consistently introducing new and innovative products. The company's iPhone 12 lineup, which was introduced in late 2020, has been well received by customers and has helped drive strong sales growth for the company. In the personal computer market, Apple faces competition from traditional PC manufacturers, such as Dell and HP, as well as newer players such as Microsoft, which have been able to gain market share with its Surface line of devices. However, Apple's been able to maintain a strong position in the market by leveraging its reputation for quality and innovation. The company's Mac lineup has been well received by customers, and the recent transition to Apple Silicon processors is expected to provide a performance boost that could further enhance the company's competitive position. Apple's growth prospects are largely driven by its ability to introduce new and innovative products and services. The company has a strong track record of innovation, with past successes including iPod, iPhone, and iPad. Looking forward, the company's growth is likely to be driven by several key areas. 1. iPhone. While the iPhone remains Apple's flagship product, there's still significant room for growth in the smartphone market. Apple is expected to introduce new iPhone models on a regular basis, which will help drive sales growth. 2. Services. Apple's services business, which includes the App Store, Apple Music, and iCloud, has become an increasingly important source of revenue for the company. As the company continues to introduce new services and expand into new markets, this segment is likely to become even more important to Apple's growth prospects. 3. Wearables. Apple's wearables business, which includes the Apple Watch and AirPods, has been a significant growth driver for the company in recent years. As the market for wearables continues to grow, Apple is well positioned to capture a significant share of this market. 4. Mac. While the PC market is not growing as quickly as the smartphone or wearables market, Apple's focus on innovation and quality has helped it maintain a strong position in this market. The recent transition to Apple Silicon processors is expected to provide a performance boost that could further enhance the company's competitive position in the PC market. 5. Emerging markets. While Apple has historically focused on developed markets such as the US and Europe, there is significant room for growth in emerging markets such as China and India. As these markets continue to develop and the middle class grows, Apple is well positioned to capture a significant share of this growth. While Apple's financial performance and growth prospects are strong, there are several risks that investors should be aware of. 1. Dependence on the iPhone. While Apple has a diversified product portfolio, the company's financial performance is highly dependent on the success of the iPhone. If the iPhone were to experience a significant decline in popularity or face increased competition, this could have a negative impact on the company's financial performance. 2. Competition. As noted earlier, Apple faces intense competition in the technology industry, particularly in the smartphone and personal computer markets. If the company were to lose market share to competitors, this could have a negative impact on its financial performance. 3. Regulatory risks. Apple faces regulatory risks in several areas, including antitrust concerns, data privacy, and intellectual property disputes. If the company were to face significant regulatory challenges, this could have a negative impact on its financial performance. Overall, Apple's a strong company with a solid financial performance, a strong competitive position, and significant growth prospects. While the company faces several risks, including dependence on the iPhone and intense competition, its focus on innovation and quality should help it to maintain its position in the market. For long-term investors looking for a high-quality technology company with strong growth prospects, Apple is worth considering. We really hope you liked the video. If there's anything we can do better, please leave a comment and tell us. Otherwise, hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next investing video. Have a great day.